Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Mike Makes It. Quick update on the Roamerdrive. I want to tell you the MPG on the first tank of fuel I've used since the Roamerdrive's been fitted. There's some statistics up on the screen there for you, so you can have a look at what I'm going to tell you. But basically, the 3 tanks prior to the Roamerdrive fitting, the MPG was 27.89, 29.48 and 27.81. You add them together to give an average of 28.39 miles per gallon in the truck, traveling about 55-60 mile an hour, largely on motorway. So not bad. It's about what the average since I've had the truck. But since a Roamerdrive's been fitted and completing the same speed, if you like, 55-60 mile an hour, although I have been tempted to go 70, and it don't feel now as if the Grim Reaper's going to get you. 70 mile an hour, you'd thought any minute now. But since a Roamerdrive's been fitted, a lot smoother. But back to the point, miles per gallon when the Roamerdrive's been fitted, 32.87. So that's gone from 28.39 to 32.87. That's an improvement of 15.78%. So it's closer to 16% fuel economy improvement. Very pleased with that. I had suspicions it's sort of, you might just see a little bit of an improvement, but 15.78% on the first tank. I'm hoping, I'm learning to use the Roamerdrive a little bit more, putting it more in gear when I should do. I might creep up. If I could get 20%, that'd be absolutely great. But what you have got to be careful of, don't be tempted to go 70 mile an hour now, because you'll lose your economy. You might go faster and you're going to think you ain't going to die anymore, but you're going to lose the fuel economy you've gained by fitting the Roamerdrive. It is quieter as well at 55-60 mile an hour. Got a little bit of a whine going on with it. I'm told that's normal, so hopefully by the time I come back to you, and with a little bit more sound deadening down in the gearbox area here, it should be a lot quieter. So hang on a month or so and I'll come back to you with the latest, but hopefully it's 15.78 or more. We'll see. Anyhow, I hope you found that interesting. That was only a quick update, but thanks for watching.